a nested radical question, how to simplify this. So 9 plus 64 plus 16 times square root of 12 under square root. Here you can see that we can take 16 as common and write 16 parenthesis 4 plus square root of 12 under square root, then all under square root, or 9 plus this 16 under square root, we can also write it as 16 under square root times 4 plus square root of 12 under square root, then all under square root. Square root of 16 is 4, so we can write 9 plus 4 times 4 plus square root of 12 under square root, all under square root. Now to remove this square root, if we can write this term in the form of a plus minus b whole square, then this whole square can remove this square root. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 9 plus 4, 4 we can write it as 3 plus 1 plus square root of 12 is 4 times 3 under square root, all under square root, or 9 plus 4, 3 we can also write it as square root of 3 square plus 1 plus this is 2 times square root of 3, and then we can write times 1 and no difference. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this algebraic expression we can write it as a plus b whole square. So this will be 9 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 1 whole square under square root. Remove the square root with this square, all under square root. Now we have 9 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 1 under square root, or this is 9 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 4 under square root. Now we can add 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 4 times square root of 3 under square root. Again, to remove this square root, we can write this in terms of a plus minus b whole square. Then it will remove the square root. 13 we can write it as 12 plus 1 plus 4 we can also write it as 4 square under square root times square root of 3, all under square root. Since square root and square gets cancelled, so 4 will be 4, so no difference. Or 12 we can write it as square root of 12 square plus 1 plus here we can write 4 times 3 under square root, or simply 2. If we take 4 out, then it will be 2 times 12 under square root. Then we can write times 1 and there is no difference. Now this is in the form of a square. If square root of 12 is a, 1 is b, so a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to a plus b whole square. So write it as square root of 12 plus 1 whole square under square root. Now remove the square root with this square. Square root of 12 plus 1. We can further simplify square root of 12. It is 4 times 3 under square root plus 1. So it will be 2 times square root of 3 plus 1. This is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.